Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Down the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you another episode of Off the Hook. So let's see what we have here. Let's start with this one right here. This is a 2005 Ford Mustang. Has that moving part on the front, and that will go in with the cars that will be for prizes in future drawings. So there's that. And then I have a couple of Ford GT40s, and I was like, you know what, I might like to do a custom paint job on one of these. May throw it in with the prize, may throw in one in with prizes in the future. So we'll see what happens with that. And then these next cars, my buddy Bog up there in Canada, he's a collector, and he shows a lot of his stuff that he gets and everything. And he was showing these cars in a video a couple weeks ago. I was like, man, I would love to find one of those. So I walked into, because I never find these in the store, and I walked into a Dollar General and found two, right? And then a few days later, I walked into another Dollar General and found two more. And the first two I had to dig through to find them. And the second two were hanging right in front, just right together. And what do these say on the bottom? Don't counting on it, concentrate and ask again. So these are the first two. Well, actually, I guess I don't know, because this one says don't count on it, and this one says concentrate and ask again. So they both say the same things. Alright, let's get into a bag I have down here and see what we have in here. So, not this one. Alright, so I walked into Kroger one day, and they had just put up a brand new display, and I grabbed a bunch of cars off of it. And so there's two of these rigger motors. There's a couple Trans TR6, another one, and then we have another Triumph, and then we have another rigger motor, and we have another rigger motor, and then in the last of this bag we have 32 Ford Uno cars. So customs in the future, I don't know. Prizes, I don't know. The 8-ball cars, I'll probably throw a couple of these in as prizes and keep the other two for myself, just to have them in my collection. And I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. So, I appreciate you guys watching. Go over to Instagram, click the link down below, go over there, follow me, and you can see pictures of my completed builds, the beauty shots, and post some comments and stuff on there. And also, if you want to support the channel, I do have a Patreon. I'm not going to keep going into it. I just want to mention it to you. So thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below so I know who you are, what you got going on. If you have a YouTube channel, I will come check it out. Click that like button for me. You know I appreciate seeing all those likes, and ring the bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.